Welcome to Daily Tax Minute on this Friday afternoon. This is Tony Novak, and I'm here to share a few points on saving taxes and staying out of tax trouble. Today's topic is EIN or SSN, Employer Identification Number or Social Security Number. This is a hot topic at this time of year. Here we are in the middle of January, and we're coming up to 1099 filing deadlines. That's the contractor payments, and the rules are pretty explicit, and the potential fines are pretty serious. But most of us just want to get it right and do it the way it's supposed to, particularly if we're paying people for our business. We want to make sure that we have the right records and we can justify our deductions. So let's divide this minute into two parts. One is the facts, and then second, I'm going to give two tips at the end, which are by their nature opinion. So let's divide it up into fact and opinion and do it that way. So the facts are pretty simple and straightforward. If you're an individual, sole proprietor, engaged in business, and you can use either your Social Security number or your employer identification number. You are eligible to get an EIN, even if it's only just you. You can get that EIN, and you can use either one when it comes to telling someone what number to use to send you a payment to put on what's called your Form W-9, and they will use that for your 1099 when they report that to the government. You can use either Social Security or EIN. If you are a partnership, if you are a corporation, you should only use the EIN. You should not be using your Social Security number. If you are a one-member LLC and you have an EIN, you should not be using that for payments. And that's the tricky part. That's the one that gets people confused. In that case, you're supposed to use the Social Security number for payments, even if you're operating as an LLC and even if you have an EIN. All right, so let's switch over in the tips part, the opinion part. In this day and age, with so many scams and security risks, if you are eligible for an EIN, I think you're silly not to get one. Get one and use it. Use your EIN and not your Social Security number whenever it's possible. That would be my main tip for using that. Guard your SSN. Don't give it to anybody. You certainly don't put it on a form that you're sending out to all of your customers and clients that pay you money. All right. So we'd love to hear your thoughts, comments, feedback. Like I said, this does seem to be a hot topic, and I've even noticed some online debate, not this year, but other years, on this topic. So we'd love to hear if that's the case, or if you have an issue you want to talk about one-on-one. Maybe you're a little stressed about getting those forms out before the end of January. Give me a call, set it up at taxproblems.cpa, and we can talk about it. I'll be back tomorrow with another Tax Minute.